How does God see our life as a race? In the Bible, 2 Timothy 4:17 says, the writer Paul, I finished my race. I've kept the faith. That the race is that we have a purpose. And what God is saying through Jesus Christ, the purpose of life is to come back into a relationship with Him. Not just something that we might make up that gives us some type of psychological comfort, but getting to know who Jesus Christ is and what He did for us. And that it was Jesus Christ who came and brought us back to the Father through His grace and His mercy and what He gave us on that cross when He died for us and He rose again for us. God came to take us back. And as we are breathing air on this earth, God gives us purpose, eternal purpose. Not just to kind of hang out for ourselves, but to get involved with what really matters in this life. We do, and how He wants to transform us and work with us as we walk with Him in our relationship. People do, as we connect with them in our relationships with them. I hope this video has been helpful for you, but in any case, as we say, Salam alafiyat at kapaz de dias tu biahe. God's peace be with you on your journey.